Welcome to the session Animal Kingdom. This is the first chapter in ninth standard biology. Let's start the session with an introduction. It is very difficult to learn about the organisms without using any methods. Classification is a method of arranging organisms into groups based on their similarities and dissimilarities. Classification is an effective method to make the study of organisms easier. Taxonomy. Taxis means arrangement, nomus means method. Taxonomy is a science of classification which makes the study of wide variety of organisms easier. Five kingdom of classification. Already you have learnt in your lower classes, that is Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Hierarchy classification is the arranging of various organisms into successive levels either in an increasing order or decreasing order from kingdom to species. Each level is called the taxonomic category. In this classification, kingdom is always ranked the highest, followed by the phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Each level is called the taxonomic category. Species. It is the lowest category. For example, Indian parakeet and green parrot. Both are mostly similar but have only slight differences. The scientific name of Indian parakeet is Psittacula eupatra. The scientific name of green parrot is Psittacula crameri. Both are belongs to the same genus Psittacula. Due to the differences, they are under the different species Eupatra and crameri. Coming to the genus, it is a next higher category. Closely related species constitute a genus. Example, Indian wolf and Indian jackal. The scientific name of Indian wolf is Canis palipes. The scientific name of Indian jackal is Canis ares. Both are belongs to the same genus called Canis because both are looking similar. But due to the some changes, they are belongs to different species, Palipes and Ares. Coming to the family, it is the next higher category. Closely related genus constitute a family, leopard, tiger and cat. Look at these pictures. These animals are having the same similarities. So these are belongs to the same family, cat family named Felidae. Next one, order. It is the next higher category. Closely related family constitute an order. Monkeys, apes and human belongs to the same order primates. Primates means these animals have the common features like a pair of limbs. So these are grouped under the same order primate due to the presence of common characteristics. Coming to the class, that is the next higher category. Closely related order constitute a class. Rabbit, rat, bat and human belongs to the same class called Mammalia because these animals have the same skin and mammary gland. Due to the presence of mammary gland, these are belongs to the group class called Mammalia. Coming to the phylum, closely related classes constitute a phylum. Mammals, birds, reptiles belongs to the same phylum called chordates due to the presence of notochord. Notochord, it is a rod-like structure which is present on the mid-dorsal side of the organisms. During the developmental stages, it is replaced by backbone. Finally comes to the kingdom. It is the highest category. Closely related phylums constitute a kingdom. All are different. Example, Animalia.